Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and today I'll show you how to apply a tempered glass to it. This will be a fairly simple video. Anyway, with your tempered glass you usually should get obviously the glass and also these two wipes. Truth be told, you can use them, but you can completely disregard them. If you have a microfiber cloth, it will do the job easily and also, well, better. So I do have one right here, that's what I'm going to be using. Additionally, if you have a case on your phone, you can keep it on or take it off. It's actually up to you. I will be keeping mine on just because it's easier to align the tempered glass in the middle by using just the bezels of the screen protector, or not screen protector, from the case. So anyway, I'll just place it like so. As you can see, trying to find the middle by placing just single end of it, so the bottom of it in the corner, and then just simply aligning it to the correct position and dropping it like so. This is basically what I'm going to be doing. Now, before I actually do this, I first need to clean off the display. So okay, there we go. So once you have your screen cleaned, keep your microfiber cloth close, just because if any kind of speck of dust settles on your display, you want to wipe it off before you actually apply the screen protector. So from here, let's grab the screen protector, tempered glass, and peel off. For me, it's just the one side, as you can see right here. So this floppy one is what I'm going to throw away. And I have a tempered glass in my hand. And there we go. Now it should start glowing itself in a second. Oh, there we go. You can see that it's now spreading. Now it looks like the case does interfere a little bit, so as you can see, once I just pull it off, there we go. So it's now fully on there. So anyway, that is basically how you would apply your tempered glass to your phone. Once you have applied it, just wipe it off from any kind of trash that it has settled on it, and you're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.